Well, I got caught in a little rain here in Clinton, Iowa. Just coming in and trying to catch a little break by hiding under this giant aerodynamical device. We're at road construction, so I don't think it's much of a rainstorm. Maybe a little bit. Just have to drive through it for a couple miles anyway. Hopefully not too many. Yeah, lightning and thunder, all of the above. The wind was hellacious. Raindrops were stinging my hands pretty good. It looks like it might break up to my left here, but oh, lightning right there. Damn. A really big metal bridge here too. Probably not the best place. Up high, surrounded by a Faraday cage. Yuck. I'd like to be through this a little bit faster if I could. But such is life. Are you kidding me? We didn't make it. We didn't even make it. Well, that sucks. Fucking air, eh? Not my favorite place to be right now, just saying. Well, keep my boots off the ground, I guess. Why are you doing this right now? Poor choice. Timing, but dang. That is cray cray. I doubt you can see real well. The lens is wet, but at least you have some audio, I guess. Wow. Slight delay. Just the rain let up a little, I guess. Oh, he's all in the mail. Wow. what we got going on. Fucking get ahead of you. Can I get a little love in here? I doubt this cop is gonna. What is going on? Fucking retarded setup there. Come into town off a bridge, and then have like 2 stoplights. And, 30 west. I gotta go right. I don't know what that is. Rain mode, we'll try that out. Well, at least the rain so far was very brief. Probably less than a mile, but man, it came down hard for that 3/4 of a mile. Wow, interesting setup there. Well, what do we got here? No, don't want that. Yeah, maybe that was it then. It's a real brief one, but man, there was some power in it for sure.